Get ready to laugh out loud with The Great Indian Kapil Show, premiering March 30th on Netflix. India Hoya Mongolia, Hasi ka mera rahega, humesha hai kyunki agaya hai, The Great Indian Kapil Show trailer. Brace yourselves for a laughter riot as the much-awaited trailer of The Great Indian Kapil Show has finally arrived, promising an unparalleled dose of entertainment. Premiering on March 30th and every Saturday thereafter at 8 p.m., exclusively on Netflix, this show is all set to redefine comedy in the digital space. The trailer of The Great Indian Kapil Show has taken the internet by storm, transcending borders and captivating audiences from India to Mongolia and beyond. With its signature blend of wit, humor, and irresistible charm, the trailer offers a glimpse into the uproarious world of Kapil Sharma, one of India's most beloved comedians. Known for his impeccable comic timing and infectious laughter, Kapil Sharma returns to the screen with a bang, promising to tickle your funny bone like never before. From hilarious sketches to rib-tickling stand-up routines, The Great Indian Kapil Show is a roller coaster ride of laughter, guaranteed to leave you in splits. Speaking about the show, Kapil Sharma expressed his excitement, saying, "I am thrilled to be back with a brand new comedy extravaganza that promises to entertain audiences across the globe. With The Great Indian Kapil Show, we aim to spread joy, laughter, and happiness, transcending boundaries and bringing people together through the universal language of humor." Joining Kapil Sharma on this laughter-filled journey are a talented ensemble cast of comedians, each bringing their unique flavor of humor to the table. Together, they promise to deliver an unforgettable viewing experience that will leave audiences craving for more. As the countdown to the premiere begins, fans and comedy enthusiasts alike are eagerly awaiting the arrival of The Great Indian Kapil Show on Netflix. So mark your calendars, set your reminders, and get ready to embark on a laughter-filled adventure like never before. Don't miss out on the laughter extravaganza of the year. Tune in to Netflix on March 30th and every Saturday thereafter at 8 p.m. to catch all the hilarity and fun with The Great Indian Kapil Show.